Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crusader Kings 2 multiplayer. First, ensure every player has the exact same version of the game and all matching downloadable content. This is crucial for preventing compatibility issues and ensuring a smooth experience. Next, confirm your internet connection is stable. A strong connection minimizes lag and potential disconnections. Once ready, launch Crusader Kings 2 and head straight to the multiplayer section from the main menu. From there, you will decide whether to host a new game or join one already in progress. To host a game, simply select the Host Game option. You will then be prompted to configure various game settings, such as starting date and rules. It is highly recommended to set a password for your game. This ensures only your invited friends can join, maintaining privacy and control. After setting the password, pick your preferred starting character and realm, just as you would in a single-player game. Finally, communicate your game's name and the password to your friends so they can easily find and join your session. If you are joining a friend's game, select the Join Game option from the multiplayer menu. You will see a list of available sessions. To quickly find your friend's game, you can either type in the exact game name or use the filter options, perhaps by looking for games hosted by your Steam friends. Once you locate the game, you will need to enter the password provided by the host. After successfully entering the password, you can then select your character and realm, ready to embark on your shared feudal adventure. For the best multiplayer experience, communication is key. Regularly chat with your fellow players to coordinate strategies, declare wars, or form alliances. Many players find using a voice chat application, like Discord, greatly enhances real-time interaction. Be prepared for occasional desynchronization or minor connection hiccups. These are common in complex strategy games and usually resolve quickly. Most importantly, embrace the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of shared feudal intrigue. Have fun forging your legacies together in the vast world of Crusader Kings 2.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.